Ben Benema worked for Trader Joe's. We don't know the exact date, but he had sent a letter to his CEO asking the company to adopt tougher COVID safety protocols. He asked for better masks and a three strikes policy to remove uncooperative customers from the stores, among other things. The company responded to his letter with a nice little paragraph that ended, "You're fired." Ben Benema posted his story and the letter he sent to the CEO on Twitter, and it went viral, getting responses from people of all qualifications, color, and creed. A member of the group of experts who wrote a letter to the Biden administration asking the administration to take steps to improve workplace safety responded to Ben's story and slammed Trader Joe for its actions. The spokeswoman for the grocery chain completely disagreed with the events as detailed by Ben. She told the Washington Post that Ben was fired because of disrespect he showed towards the customers. Either the Human Resources Department and the public relations team at Trader Joe's are incompetent, or they just assumed that we all cannot read. Because in the letter that Ben posted on Twitter, the management at Trader Joe made it amply clear that they fired him for the request he made. In a recent email, you suggest adopting a three-strike policy against customers and a policy enforcing the same accommodation for every customer with a medical condition that precludes them from wearing a mask. The letter reads, "The suggestions are not in line with our core values. In addition, you state that Trader Joe's is not showing up for us without adapting your policies. It is clear that you do not understand our values. As a result, we are no longer comfortable having you work for Trader Joe's." They sent this letter. Ben releases it. And after the entire world has seen how the events unfolded, Trader Joe's spokesperson comes out saying that Ben was fired due to the disrespect he showed towards customers. This is already the classic case of how not to handle public relations fallout. They made a mistake, and instead of apologizing and correcting their course, they doubled down on it, and now the entire world knows the sequence of events. What happened, how they responded when everyone questioned them. Reminds me of the facepalm incident with United Airlines when the airlines tried to throw out a dog from the airplane. Lazy and stupid. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe.